The name Africa was given to the regions as the Roman knew and understood the word at the time of the name Africa. Before the emancipation of the Romans about 300 BC, Europe, Africa, Asia Minor, and India, they were known as Ouwarre, the middle block of the three blocks of the world. Looking at the world map as being shown below, one comes to understanding that the ancient Igbos had good knowledge of the world. The descriptions of the world, according to the hardened down history through the generations from Chinyere, Umanuforo, the Ndoro, Ukanen, Ucha, the Igbo of Ouwarre. Ouwarre is made up of Europe, Africa, Asia Minor, and India. To the subscribers or followers of students and professors, Ouwarre means the middle block of the ancient world, or the middle block of the three blocks of the world.